In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude Code in Terminal. By the end, you'll be comfortable launching Claude Code from your command line and using the built-in command palette to run actions quickly and confidently. First, open your terminal. On Mac OS, that might be the Terminal app. On Windows, Command Prompt or PowerShell. And on Linux, your preferred shell like Bash or ZH. The goal is simply to get to a command line with a blinking cursor where you can type commands. If you keep several terminals or tabs, choose the one where you typically work so your files and paths feel familiar. With your terminal open, type the word Claude and press Enter. This tells your system to launch the Claude Code interface. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see Claude start in interactive mode. That usually means you'll get a clean prompt and in many cases, a short welcome message or hint indicating the tool is ready for input. If your terminal responds that the command isn't recognized, it likely means the tool isn't available in your current environment. In that case, make sure you're in the right shell session where it's accessible. Once you see the prompt, you're good to go. Now, the key to moving fast in Claude Code is the slash command. After launching, type a / like this. That single character triggers the command palette, which is where you can discover and execute built-in actions. As soon as you hit slash, you should see suggestions tailored to what Claude Code can do in your session. Start typing to filter the options. Use your arrow keys to navigate the list, and press Enter to run the highlighted command. If a command accepts text, simply continue typing after the command name, then press Enter to execute it. The palette is designed to be discoverable, so don't worry if you don't know the exact command name. Begin with var, glance at the suggestions, and pick what matches your intent. A few quick tips to stay efficient. Keep your inputs clear and focused so Claude understands your goal. Watch the terminal output for prompts or confirmations. And if you make a typo, just backspace and refine before pressing Enter. Autocomplete often helps you move faster, and most terminals let you use the up and down arrows to recall recent entries, which is great for repeating a command with small edits. And remember, avoid typing or pasting any sensitive information in your terminal. That's it. Open your terminal, run Claude, then use hash to trigger and execute commands. With this simple flow, you can work quickly and confidently right from your command line.